Guys, I hope you like, subscribe. Right now, we'll be making KARIMAN. All we need is breadcrumbs, sliced bread, cheese, beef loaf, pepper, and 4 eggs. First, dice the cheese and the beef loaf. Next, prepare the bread and put the beef loaf and the cheese in the center. And cover it. And use the mug to shape the bread. Ching! Make as many as you can. For the ice cream, put it on the center and cover it. And repeat the same process. And make as many as you can. And then we'll break a egg an egg into the bowl. Put some pepper and mix it. Ready the breadcrumbs and put the stuffed bread into the egg and into the breadcrumbs. And after this, we'll put it in the fridge for tomorrow. Like for part 2. Good morning. How to make KARIMAN part 2. Now we will get the KARIMAN from the fridge. Prepare the pan and light up the stove. Put some many oils cause we're going to deep fry. Let's try if the oil is hot. And if it's hot, it's time for frying. If the KARIMAN is golden brown, but in my case it's dark brown, just flip it. And we're done! And a little bit of platings and we're good to go! This is for the ice cream KARIMAN. As you can see, it's ubi. Yummy. And this is the beef loaf cheese KARIMAN. Yummy, yummy. And this is the KARIMAN, the final product. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you follow.